Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network, the Flare Time Series Oracle version 2. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that, you guys can check out this the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. It is a hardware wallet, which is safe, secure, convenient. So do check that out. They've got this biometric wallet, which is $30 off if you use the link in the description box below. And guys, it also supports more than 3,000 plus coins and tokens, 50 plus supported blockchain mainnets, and it has $99 off on their package Biometric Wallet 2x. So do check that out and by looking at in the description box below. Anyways, guys, let us start with the price and chart of both the Flare Network and Songbird at the time of the recording, guys. So, Flare Network, guys, it is down 10.38% for the day, guys. The price is 0.03926, so it is bleeding a bit. So check this out. The highest it went was almost 4.5 cents, and since that time it is down 0.039. Let us look at what it is doing in the last 7 days. In the last 7 days, guys, it is up 13.25%, guys. But this is the attraction point, 0.035. Basically, this range, whenever the price has gone up, it has come back down to this area. But I guess the price has rebounded from this crucial support area in the 7-day support area, mind you, guys. So it went to 4.5 cents, and since that time, it has dipped again. Let's see where it goes. Let us look at the bigger perspective. This is 1 month, guys. The price is basically volatile, up and down because of the move it has made in the last year, guys. This is natural. This price movement and what Flare is doing, this is natural. There are coins that do sideways action with along with volatility, huge volatility, because in crypto aren't small moves. Price goes up significantly and goes down significantly in terms of sideways actions for months, guys, after making a huge move. And let me show you that move, guys. This is that move. It went all the way from 0.0088 all the way to 5 cents, guys. So a huge move has been made, and it is natural that the price still, guys, it has tested the support area, and it is still it is going towards the upside. This is what astonishes me, guys. Check this out. Yeah, people might say, look at this chart, that yeah, the price is not doing well. They might look at the 1 day chart, that yeah, the price is not doing good, guys. But if you look at the yearly chart, it is doing extremely well, and this was a healthy retracement. It has tested the support. I'm not saying that it might not come back down and test it again and even break it, because crypto is volatile. I'm not a financial advisor, but guys, in my opinion, this looks like a healthy chart, guys. Let check this out, guys. This is a crucial support area over here as well. The in the all-time chart, and Flare has rebounded from this area, and if it goes on to test this 0.042 area and it breaks it, guys, then we're going to be going up and testing the 5 cents mark, and will come soon, guys. And even Songbird, guys, it has dipped a bit, 4.06% for the day. If you look at the month, guys, it is down 17.08%. But like Flare, if you look at the yearly chart, guys, we get this. We get a healthy chart, guys. Check this out. It has gone up from 0.004 all the way to 0.018, guys. Awesome. And this is the canary network of Flare, guys. F assets will come here. So Songbird is going to be used. Flare ultimately is a utility coin. It is going to be used as well, guys. And I really like the constant updates that Flare does. Flare has, guys. Check this out. Down 95.40%. A lot of room to grow, guys, in my opinion. So check this out. Flare constantly has progress. It has development. It is constantly providing new info to the investors, to the holders, to the community. Check this out, guys. This is April 2nd, 2024. The upgrade of the Flare Time Series Oracle will give dApp developers access to a wider range of up to 1,000 data feeds, with updates possible every block, 1 to 2 seconds, guys. So they're constantly evolving, they're constantly updating. And they have updated now with the Ftso version 2. It is a stepping stone to realize the vision of Flare as the blockchain for data. So this is the next step forward for Flare to become that blockchain for data. And I've told you time and again, guys, that data is the new oil. And projects such as Flare, they're trying to maneuver it and use data to its advantage and basically be creative and innovative with this data. So what is FTSO version 2 and what is it doing, guys? More data delivered faster. So basically more data delivered faster in a nutshell. Let me show you more data delivered faster, FTSO version 2. You have to read this out yourselves, guys, because this is a long read. We're going to be skimming through this quickly to let for the community to know what is happening. FTSO version 2. The FTSO version 2 is an upgrade of the Flare Time series Oracle. So basically, this is the upgrade of the FTSO, the basic traditional FTSO, including more regular updates, better performance, a wide range of data feeds, and high frequency updates. So it's going to be having frequent updates first and foremost. It has expanded the range of data feeds. It has better performance. It has more regular updates, and it delivers faster, guys. So optimized for data. The blockchain for data is expanding its scope. Flare's upgraded Oracle FTSO version 2 introduces a significant advancement in on-chain data access for businesses operating within decentralized finance. I think that the Flare team should use a bit of a clear font color so that we can understand much better, because this is a bit light. You guys can see a bit light, written a bit light, so they should, I think, change this to make it more readable. Because yeah, the ones who have glasses on, like myself, they have a hard time reading such light fonts. Anyways, within decentralized finance, such as lending or trading dApps, by enhancing data accessibility and reducing usage costs. Flare's oracles are a marked improvement. By the way, guys, Flare's oracle use data points and data feeds internally. It is secure, it is accurate. The FTSO version 1 was also accurate, it was great, and now with this upgrade, it is going to be awesome. Flare's oracles are a marked improvement over existing oracle technologies, establishing a new benchmark for decentralization and affordability in data exchange. So it is cheap as well, and also providing passive income opportunity to the holders as well. Okay, so let us look at the decentralizing Oracle access. Oracles are critical building block of DeFi, securing vast amounts of value by providing accurate, real-time, off-chain data to on-chain smart contracts. If you do not know, guys, in a nutshell, Oracles provide real-time, off-chain data, the information that is not on-chain, guys, the information that is off-chain. It provides that information securely and accurately to the on-chain protocol, to the infrastructure. All major oracles depend on a limited number of data providers, and the largest oracles effectively operate on a permission network. So, what does FTSO do is that it is the Flare solution to building an oracle capable of high frequency updates while supporting a wide range of data feeds and maintaining decentralization. And this is the key part, guys. It maintains decentralization as well, no third parties involved. And you also get a wide range of data feeds and accurate data without involving third parties. Upgrading the Flare Time series Oracle. The current iteration of the Flare Time series Oracle, FTSO V1, updates a collection of 18 price feeds every 3 minutes. So now this is going to be changing, guys. Frequency of updates are changing as well. Anchor updates, the periodically updated FTSO data feeds that combine estimates from multiple providers, as in the FTSO version 1. Stream updates, a new feature that leverages a fast update technique to publish incremental updates to the data feeds in each block, guys. So this is all awesome. So in summary, guys, the version 2 improves on the previous iterations in three ways. Anchor updates are provided every 90 seconds. The number of supported evaluations has increased dramatically, and the stream updates are provided in between anchor updates. This is awesome. Oracle access on Flare at scale. Each provider computes their estimates for each of the supported FTSO data feeds. Each provider reveals their list of estimates and uploads the information on chain. Off-chain providers compute the aggregate value for each feed in the voting ground. Providers package the list of median values into a single hash. Once enough signatures corresponding to the same hash are uploaded, this hash determines the final values for the data feeds. So this is great. The FTSO version 2 access up to 1,000 highly decentralized data feeds, guys. Check this out. Commit to data, hash data, Flare network, signed hash, quorum of signatures, publish data feeds. This is the final point. Package medians into a single signed hash. Fourth, in the second part, you guys, it is the reveal data, compute weighted medians. So, guys, data sources, constant updates, guys. Weights and caps, balancing decentralization and accuracy. The FTSO takes input from 100 providers and outputs value for each round. Fast updates, low latency updates on demand. So this is awesome. FTSO version 2 dApps can access the baseline stream for free or pay for higher sensitivity data feeds. Rewarding for the FTSO. So there are also rewards, guys. Providers who give accurate submissions to the anchor data feeds are rewarded for submitting values. So this is awesome. Passive income opportunity again. That continues. The deployment of FTSO version 2 serves as an integral component of the network's ambition to democratize data by rendering it more accessible, cost-effective, and decentralized. So, what do you guys think about the FTSO version 2 update, guys? Do you think this will help Flare when it becomes more accessible, cost-effective, and decentralized? What do you guys think about the constant updates of Flare, and where do you see it as a project, guys? Do it in the comment box below and let the community know, because I think that it has a lot of potential, guys. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.